Here Giancarlo is applying Marmorino KS in an anticotato style and finishing it with a coat of fine Marmorino. He's using the color number 232 from our color catalog. He's already applied a base coat of Marmorino KS and applied it smooth with a little texture, and it has dried overnight. He's now applying the same color material using a skip trowel technique. He lays a little glob on the wall and then strategically moves the plaster in different directions to create his look. After that coat is dried, he comes back with fine Marmorino and applies it on the high spots, smoothing it off nicely but leaving some areas untouched. He's allowed that to dry, and he's come back with some more of the fine Marmorino. He's covering most of the wall, compressing and polishing as he goes. What's nice about this fine Marmorino on the top is that it will polish, and he's making it really, really smooth. So that top area that he's hitting with his trowel right now is very smooth. The areas he can't get to, of course, are still kind of rough in texture. That's a very, very nice touch, and still smooth and polished to the touch.